Attack points. An attack point is a place that when you get to it, you know that you can find your control. The attack point should be something that you can find relatively easily. Here is a leg going from number 2 to number 3, and in order to get to number 3, we should find an attack point. Here are 4 possible attack points. This ends up being a trail junction. This is a trail bend. This is a boulder next to a trail, and this is a boulder which is on a bend in the trail. Plan your route to the attack point. If we were going to this one, you probably would start off and you could follow these trails and get to the attack point. Once you're there, you now can go across the swamp, follow up the edge of the swamp to your control. If you were going to this control or this attack point, you'd use the same route to get there, and then you go from here using your compass to go northeast and find your control. This one might not be as easy if the swamp was wet. Some swamps are relatively dry in dry months, but it would therefore be something that you decide on as if you wanted to use that attack point, how wet the swamp might be. If you were going to use this as an attack point, you might come over here, follow the trail, follow the stone wall, find the boulder next to the trail, and then go in the southwest direction to the control. This one here, you might need to find some intermediary attack points, so I'll go to this trail junction. I then go northwest to this boulder, and I come here and get to my attack point. I then end up going down, following along the swamp to my control. Get to the attack point and make sure that you've really reached it. In the case of this attack point, there's another boulder there. Make sure that you are at the correct boulder, and you'd figure that out by looking at how close to the swamp you are. Make sure you're at the right boulder or at your attack point, rather than just assuming it. Always be careful, it saves time.